Hello friends, I welcome you all from Dollars Hunt. Friends, nowadays everyone has a dream that he should have a good house, a good car, travel abroad, time and respect in the society. But friends, take out 2 minutes and think that what you are working today, can you live such a life in future? If your answer is no, you need to think again. Friends, today I have brought the best business opportunity, which has the ability to fulfill all your dreams. Yes friends, we are talking about the Dollars Hunt. Let's talk about this project. So in this you can generate income in a completely safe and secure way, and by making a very small investment in this you can generate income from here on a large level. And let's talk about its mission and vision. It is to build the community of Dollars Hunt and make people financially strong. Next, if we go further about joining, you can join it from just $25, and as soon as you start with $25, you become eligible to get its benefits. So friends, let's know about its type of income. In this you get ROI income, referral income, activation income, ranking income, and in this you get rewards income. First of all, let's talk about ROI income in this. So you get $1 daily, and you can earn unlimited income by using unlimited ID in it. So friends, let us know about working income, in which we will talk about direct income. As friends, you are taking advantage by joining this best and wonderful plan. You can include your friends in this, and as soon as you make friends join someone in this, then here you get an income of 20% income from each direct. And yes friends, here you can apply unlimited direct, and you can earn unlimited. Next, let's talk about activation bonus. So when you activate your ID in this, you are given an activation bonus of 10% on it. So friends, let us know about its ranking income. So friends, when you form a team of 5 members at the first level, then you become an agent in it, and you get a daily income of $5. If you form a team of 25 members at the second level, then you become an executive in it, and you get a daily income of $10. If you form a team of 125 members at the third level, then you become an senior executive in it, and you get a daily income of $20. And friends, when you form a team of 625 members at the fourth level, then you become an assistant manager in it, and you get a daily income of $100. And moving forward in this sequence, you get income as per the chart shown. Next, let's talk about reward income. So when you become an assistant manager in this, you get Dubai trip plus mobile. When you become a manager in this, you get Singapore, Malaysia, Bangkok trip plus bike. And friends, when you become a general manager in this, you get Maldives trip plus car fund. When you become a director in this, you get Europe trip plus villa fund. Let's talk about the terms and conditions. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10, and there is a deduction of 20% on every withdrawal. Similarly, you can check the rest of the terms and conditions details on the screen. Friends, this is a very great concept and is designed to give you income. Success comes to those who start early to achieve it. So you have to join this concept as soon as possible to brighten your future. For more information about this concept, you can contact that person who have shared this video with you, or you can also visit our website. Thank you all on behalf of all of you for giving us your valuable time.